Install IPA files without a PC. In this video, I will show you how to do it easily in 2025, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Install a trusted sideloading app like AltStore or Scarlet. This app allows you to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad without using a PC. Step 2. Find a reliable source and download the IPA file using Safari on your device. Make sure the file is saved to your Files app, not just your browser. Step 3. Open AltStore or Scarlet and then tap on the My Apps or Plus button to install a new IPA. Step 4. Browse your Files app and select the IPA you downloaded, and then the app will start installing the file to your device. Step 5. Go to your settings, and then General, and then VPN and Device Management, and then tap on the developer name and trust the profile to run the app. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.